Welcome back to another video, guys. It's your man Jay. So TCL has released a fleet of phones like they always do, and the TCL 20 Pro 5G is their top of the line offerings right now, coming in with 60 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 750 5G, 4500 milliamp hour battery, 1080p by 2400, 48 megapixel camera on the back, 6 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of storage. Whew, that's a mouthful for such a low price, right? I'll put this side by side with my TCL 10 Pro, but first, let's get this in the box open here, and we're gonna take a look and focus on this device. The TCL, I appreciate them sending this over to me. They also sent over a nice case, and I'll show you that as well. And whoa, is this 21 by 9? Oh man, this is nice, man. This is nice and slim. Totally different than the previous generation. I love this back design right here. Ooh, wee. You know what's so great about this? There's a headphone jack up there. This hardware is super premium, man. I mean, this is premium hardware. I mean, TCL makes great TVs. I actually have 3 TCL TVs that I purchased. But their phones, man, their phones are coming along great, man. So wow, this is a beautiful gray color. There's a blue color as well, but that would have been a little too flashy for me, so I opted for the gray when asked. So on the front here, you have a 32 megapixel camera that shoots in 4K 30, 1080p 60, HDR. Wow, very nice. Strong vibration there. On the rear, obviously, you got that 48 megapixel wide camera, 16 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel, two 2 megapixels, one for depth and one for macro. I don't understand when they do that, but it is what it is. So 4K 30 on the back as well. So both cameras can do 4K 30, which is a huge plus. So 6.7 inches here. The fingerprint reader is under the display, which is really nice. And it's got fast charging at 18 watts and then fast wireless charging at 15 watts. So this is a huge plus right here. They're really doing it right. So you got moon dust gray and marine blue are the 2 colors. Now this phone in hand, it feels great, man. I know they say display greatness, but the phone itself feels really solid. Stock Android setup here. So let me show you what else comes in the box when you decide to purchase yours. So you've got, it even comes with a clear case. So they sent over a nice accessory here. Man, this is pretty nice. This is a rugged case, and I'll definitely use this instead of the clear case. But if you're a type of person who wants to show off your device, there is a clear case. You don't have to buy one. It is an option. So very nice of them. And as you can see, the charger is in the box. Yeah, which it should be. And the SIM ejection tool is back there. So companies shouldn't send phones out with no accessories. That's just one of the worst things that some companies started to do to us, and I think that's just silly. So looking through the menu here, we're gonna go ahead and go start. But first, before I do that, let me grab my 5G SIM card and pop it in here, because I'm gonna use this. Let's get a SIM ejection tool, take it out of my iPhone here. I'm gonna pop this in. There we go. Let's get some 5G goodness going here. All right. So where's the SIM port? It is on the bottom, just as I suspected. And we'll kind of scan around the hardware here. And one thing about their SIM trays, they're very deep. So you want to use if you don't have a long, deep SIM tray, like ejector tool like me, you want to use the one that comes in the box. So let's get this back in here. So there's 5G goodness. Let's hope that the 5G goodness is real. 5G isn't offered everywhere, by the way, folks. 5G isn't guaranteed either. So just bear that in mind when you start to look at 5G devices, man. Just keep that in mind. It's not offered everywhere. So we're gonna go next here. It'll probably pick up my server for the 5G shortly. It's over T-Mobile. Let's connect to the internet. Oh wait, you know what? Let's give it a second. You can see it's picking up Edge. There's 5G. So if you're wondering, for T-Mobile, it does have a 5G signal. But we're gonna go ahead and connect to the internet here. I won't bore you with all of this setup stuff right here, but I just wanted to show you, when you take it out of the box, this is what you're gonna get here. I'll also grab the TCL 10 Pro and show you in this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy my files here from my OnePlus 9 Pro. And just to give you some perspective on this, here's the OnePlus 9 Pro, just since I got it here. So it's just a hair taller than the OnePlus 9 Pro, but it's a smidgen taller, but it feels better. It's even narrower and a little bit more boxy, as you can see, than the OnePlus 9 Pro. Sorry if I was out of view. But I'm going to go ahead and copy these from another Android device, and I'll get this all set up and I'll be right back. All right, after you are done with your setup, here's where we are. I stopped right here so you can see exactly this is what you'll be dealing with once you decided to get to this point, or for those that might be interested, what happens right here. So 2 fingers swiping up, hold for 1 second, enters privacy app. I think that's pretty cool. So if you do like, oh, wait, come on. There we go, privacy app. So that's pretty sweet right there. So if you have something that you probably need to conceal from the world, I guess, you can use privacy app. That's pretty sweet. You can swipe up pretty much from anywhere on the screen. So I didn't turn on gestures yet, but I'm going to. This is what it looks like when I got it out of the box. So let's kill this off here. Don't want to have that on there. Look at the hardware. You can see what they did with the hardware. I mean, they have like this part right here, pretty much along the cameras. Now there is absolutely no camera bump on here, folks. The LED has some texture. It's raised a little bit, but not the camera bump. And then the camera bump is not here, and then the LEDs have a little raised texture on there. So they stuck to the same thing, man. They stuck to the same thing, and they did it right, and they made this device even better, man. It's a lot bigger screen. It's a little bit more sleek too, man. I don't know what it is. It's a little bit wider, a little bit shorter, but it just feels really good, man. It feels really good. I'm just gonna get the facial recognition. Yep, there it is. So that's the TCL 10 Pro next to it. Here's a display on here. And let's crank the brightness up. And I'm gonna play a movie. Ooh, that display is bright, man. I think they did good on here, man. They did great. Look at how bright these displays are, folks. Their displays have always been great. They have always been good, man. Let me get a movie going on here, or just something, you know, playing on there. All right, here's some 4K goodness for you. Old video I did, but it's got a lot of greenery in it, different shades. And I don't know how well this does on camera, but man, this thing is beautiful. The enhancements done with them, it's just incredible how beautiful this display is, man. It is incredible. I love it. All right, folks, so now we'll try on this accessory here from TCL that they dropped in the box as well. I appreciate them once again. But for a second, let's just kind of marvel at this hardware right here, man. This is a beautiful piece of hardware. The phone it's sleek, man. So this is a tough case that they sent over. And you know, oh, that's a good case. I used to purchase that style of case on Amazon. So I guess they got a little deal. They must have a little deal where they're hooking up with ProTech and giving you a nice accessory. 6 feet drop test. You'll definitely need some protection for this. It's kind of a slippery phone. But after this, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna look at the cameras, and I'll let you go on your way. So putting it on here, this is a must, folks. This is nice. That facial recognition is super fast too. Now look at the front of the phone. You can see you got lots of lip and serious drop protection with this right here, man. Look at that lip around the side, because this is a curved display, so you want to make sure that you have some protection. And it's a thin phone too, so there's a little bit of branding here on the side. Accessories, it's just their accessorize. So it says it's got that right there on the side of the case. Pretty nice. So you got a black button on this side, kind of like black chrome buttons. The camera is nicely cut out. I like this case because it makes it's a nice narrow spot on there, opposed to some of the bigger camera. Look how crazy this looks next to the OnePlus 9 Pro. You can see the difference. This is good tech right here. So I hope these cameras are good, because the cameras on the TCL 10 Pro were good. They needed some work though with image processing. So all ports and everything are going to line up here. This case has a lot, and that's an IR blaster on the front too, but on the top there, by the way. This case has a lot of grip to it. So Type-C microphone and speaker cut out on the bottom, ports, everything. I like this case. It'll live in this case. So let's go do the doggone thing, and let's go ahead and get you some camera samples, and then we will get out of here, folks. Let's do it. All right, so I decided to do 1080p 60 on the front because I like the smooth motion of 1080p of 60 frames per second. But I'll test 4K on the rear, and this is just a quick sample. Well, all right, guys, there it is, man. I'm going to go ahead and use this device, and I have something very special for you. Let me show you. Let me just show you. Let me give you a sneak peek in this video. There you have it. So I've got the full suite of TCL devices. These are brand new sealed. Again, I appreciate TCL sending over all the devices for review. Great PR team over there. So man, we're gonna kick this thing off, man. We're gonna get each one of these devices rolling. I'll give you an unboxing and first impressions of these as well. So that's about it for now. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.